If you could learn something for 20 hours and make $768 passive income, then what would you learn?
You can go from knowing nothing about any skill that you can think of. Want to learn a language? Want to learn how to draw? Want to learn how to juggle flaming chainsaw? If you put 20 hours of focused, deliberate practice into that thing, you will be astounded.
Let me give you exact 3-step blueprint that we use to make over $768 using less than 2 hours per day. Step 1, we use social media and we watch videos. We learn from experts, but we learn using AI. Our proprietary custom GPT literally analyzes any video and give us a step-by-step process of the skill that we want to learn. Even writes articles for us and draw images for the article. Then in step number 2, we take all this information and make a simple short video. Basically something like this one. And we publish the same videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. All the viewers go through a 99% done for you automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling for us. And when there is a sale, we earn a high ticket passive affiliate commission. And our system is 99% done for you. If you want to learn about our 99% done for you system, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.